This is the black plus decker ratcheting screwdriver, and when this knob is in this position it will act like a normal screwdriver. So I will show you. As you can see, it is working like a normal screwdriver, and if we want to remove this screw, we have to push this knob in upward direction. Now you can see I can easily remove this screw. So now if I have to tight this screw again, I will slide this knob in this position. So now I can hello guys, so as you can see, when this knob is in this position, the handle is freely rotating in counterclockwise direction, and when this knob is in this position, the shaft is freely rotating in clockwise direction, and when this knob is in center position, the handle is fixed like a normal screwdriver. What's inside this? Now I will remove this. There is one thing which is holding this metal housing, but there is not. To remove this, I will just push this button. This plate helps to keep this shaft in this metal housing. You are looking at these two plates. When you are tightening the screw, this plate lifts so that the handle will freely rotate in counterclockwise direction, and it helps in tightening the screw. When this knob is in center position, both plates are at the rest position and resist free rotation of the shaft. And now when the knob is in this position, now handle will freely rotate in clockwise direction. So what happens when you push the switch forward and reverse, it will lift up this metal plate, so shaft will rotate. And that's it. So now I will so that's it.